Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice backup camera. We do get a nice lift glass as well, which allows you to have easier access to your cargo space, or you can leave it open for some air. Totally up to you. We have mud flaps on the rear, a nice roof rail with mud flaps on the front, a blind spot detection. We got that Big Bend logo, and moving to the front real quick, we do get license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do get quite a bit of cargo space. We got cargo cubbies on each side, 12-volt hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get a nice liftgate light as well, more hooks over there, that LED light. You can collapse that last row as well, and you do get storage underneath with a spare tire. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space with floor mats with the Bronco logo, USB, USB-C, and some rear vents. And of course, we do have cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have power driver's seat with the Bronco logo down there. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 19,934 kilometers. We have this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we have our information about the vehicle. Trip 2 and Trip 1 are in there. My View, which has digital speedometer, fuel economy, and comm screen. Driving assist, music, phone, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, go modes, cup holders, storage with USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. Got that center console with tons of storage, outlets down there as well. Got your climate controls up front with heated seats, little storage cubby here with your engine start, auto stop, auto start, hazards, volume, and tune, storage in the glove compartment, and your nice little infotainment system here that has your audio, compass, and phone, your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here, and settings such as your Bluetooth, driving assist, Ford Pass, automatic updates, display, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is MA06876A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.